colleagues, I'm just saying that today I will be then looking specifically at the problem statement, but here we are looking at math and languages in the intermediate phase, which the strategies that we are going to talk about, though they are actually talking about grade 6, but let us look at the intermediate phase, because for a learner to perform in the grade 6 intermediate phase, there should be preparation of the grades that come before that grade. So that's why I'm saying intermediate phase rather than saying grade 6. So here, colleagues, I want us to look at the challenges or the problem statement that we, as a province, we are facing. Number one, what I'm saying here is that regardless of any challenges that we have, be it current fiscal challenges, but there is an expectation for the Department of Education to work towards the following. Number one, quality learning for all learners. So as we are discussing now or presenting this to you, I want us to look at our own programs, daily programs, to say, how do we support quality learning for all learners? That means appropriate content and delivery methodology for curriculum to ensure quality learning that would increase the interest of learners and is key to improve both participation and performance. So when we talk mathematics, we talk participation and performance. For languages, we are saying, Thobela have indicated, it's 100% pass. It's like all learners should pass the language, because we know that should a learner face the language, especially the home language, that learner will automatically fail. So we want to see 100%, even if we are sitting at 99, but if there are 2-3 learners that have failed, we must be worried, because those learners, we are not sure whether they've had only mathematics that would make them to fail altogether. Number two, one of the things that we need to look at is teacher demand, supply utilization, development, and support. So you see, I'm talking about these two subjects, but I'm covering the entire scope, because curriculum is supported by all what we are doing in the system. Here I'm talking about the teacher demand. When I'm talking about the teacher demand, then I'm saying who is employed to teach the subject. Whoever is in the position to employ the teacher must also have a learner in mind. It's not just a matter of filling the post, but it's to ensure that the person who is employed for that subject is capable individual, is qualified, suitably qualified to teach the subject. Number three is provision, management, and effective utilization of resources. So when we talk about provision, management of resources, there are so many resources. Others are human resource, others are material resources. But what is important is that when the resource is there, is the resource managed? I think from the presentation that was done by Ms Zakuza-Njakazi indicated the deficits that we have in the system in terms of curriculum coverage, in terms of the learner work. There's a lot to say what is happening in our schools. That is a resource. A teacher is a resource. But if that resource is not well managed, then we'll find this deficit to say there's nobody who ensures that when teachers are teaching, they are covering the curriculum. They are not managed. Talks about time books. If the time book is not signed, it's good as not there. I was telling my colleague to say I went to another school. The time book was sitting there. Other teachers have signed in and out before the school even